Sun, an interminable source of infinite energy, enfolds within itself the tremendous power that feeds millions of species on planet Earth. This prodigious power, when channelized in the right direction, could be a massive source of spurring economical growth and technological development. While the world is heading towards a future that is heavily dependent upon the advancement of technology and renewable energy, Gensol is energizing this change by delivering substantial projects, even with stringent deadlines. With its unflagging spirit to honor its commitment, a microcosm of young thinkers, engineers and leaders driven by a mission of providing holistic renewable energy solutions that maximize investor profits. Gensol today is one of world's leading solar solution providers, empowering and encouraging people to adopt solar as well as renewable energy as an avenue of investment.
Gensol Engineering was incorporated in 2012. From beginning itself, the value of Team Gensol is customer success. It is something that a young and talented team has always lived by every single day. After 6 years of putting in endless hours for ensuring client success, we have become who's who of the Indian renewable energy industry and made a mark for ourselves.
Gensol is a robust team of world's best solar experts and high-spirited engineers with an extensive experience of more than 20,000 megawatt, an epitome figure of achievement with world-class projects.
Over the last 10 years, the cost of going solar has gone down by 80%. This has been the consequence of relentless improvements in technology and optimization of engineering, something which is core to Gensol. Gensol's team of engineers have pioneered the most challenging projects in the world, from powering airports with solar to setting up floating solar projects.
Gensol has a pan-India presence. With its headquarters in Ahmedabad, Gensol holds a strong intercontinental presence with its ongoing projects in Africa, Middle East and Southeast Asia. Gensol provides solar advisory services that includes design engineering and review, lenders engineering services, owners engineers, project management services, and strategic and policy advisory for policymakers, project owners, lenders, and EPC players. Being at the forefront of entire value chain of the solar industry, Gensol is a pioneer in revolutionary solar project engineering, procurement, construction, providing end-to-end solar services from designing the system, procuring the components and installing the project. Gensol has successfully delivered some robust solar projects on roofs as well as land, aggregating to 188 plus megawatt across 178 plus projects in India.
Hi, this is Shailesh Tengre, Deputy Director Production, Samsonite South Asia Private Limited. We decided to go for renewable energy project to be aligned with our global initiative of being carbon neutral by year 2030. For our 1 megawatt rooftop solar plant in the Nashik factory, we awarded the contract to Gensol Engineering, being the most competitive bidder without compromising any of the quality standard we have set. Their workmanship and detailing was speaking for itself about their quality consciousness while execution of the project. We are very pleased and satisfied that we awarded the contract to a correct EPC and the plant is functioning fantastically. Thank you Gensol for your efforts and support.
With a dream to capture the ever-increasing need to efficiently manage solar assets in India, Gensol has formed a joint venture with Spain's giant solar asset development cum manager, SolarEgg Engage, in the year 2015.
We have seen tremendous growth since the incorporation of the company. As a CFO of the company, I will ensure efficient deployment of funds which shall generate maximum gains for shareholders.
Gensol is a leader in integrating robots to automate module cleaning of 10 lakh solar modules every day. We use industrial drones for detection of module defects. This reduces manual labor, increases accuracy, and improves project returns. Lastly, and most importantly, human life and environment sustainability is of utmost importance at Gensol. This is reflected in our team of health, safety, and environment auditors, trainers, and engineers, one of the largest teams in the industry.
Spreading its wings into new arenas like wind, energy storage, etc., Gensol is standing on the edge of a large springboard.
Our company has continually evolved policy at various levels along with phenomenal growth rate. We will ensure all compliances are met and corporate governance remains sacrosanct.
3 years into incorporation and taking a strategic shift of spreading our services business between project and annuity-based models, we forayed into operation and maintenance. Our clients trusted us with increasing their assets' performance, and we delivered nothing less. By leveraging cutting-edge technologies and supreme operational efficiency, Gensol in 3 years has 3,000 megawatts of asset under maintenance, making us the largest PV plant operator in the country. We take pride in being detailed engineering consultants to 800 megawatt single location solar PV power plant. It's the largest solar project in the country. Today, we are India's largest renewable energy engineering firm and also expanding very fast in the Middle East.
Ready to be admired as a holistic renewable energy solution provider, to the point where it might not be a misnomer to call it a renewable energy's one-stop shop.